Today we are going to make a surfing board with black epoxy running through this crack and a horizontal thin blue line showing my support to the police forces all around the world. So a word of thanks to today's sponsor, Resin Epoxy from polyestershopper.nl. They sent me a nice package containing some epoxy, some mixing cups, sticks, gloves, a torch and some color pigments which I'll be using today. For the crack I'll be using the black pearl. For the thin blue line I'll be using the gold blue. They got some nice high quality products. Make sure to check them out, the link is in the description. Now we're going to use the track saw to cut a little groove in this piece for the blue line. So we're getting ready to sand the thin blue line. So I'm a full-time police officer myself and I do the woodworking part-time. The thin blue line has so much meaning to me because it stands for the brotherhood between police officers all around the world. What is your take on the police? Do you like them? Do you dislike them? I would like to know your opinion, so let me know in the comments below. So before I move on with sanding in the higher grids, I was thinking about making some kind of bevel over here. There are multiple ways how you can do it. You can do it with a router, with a chamfer bit, or you can do it on the table saw, and that's what we are going to do today. So now we are getting ready for the best part of any woodworking project, it's finishing. Today I'll be using grapeseed oil, which is very cheap. You can buy it at the grocery store. This bottle is around $4, I think. So the best part is it is food safe, so you can put food on it if you like. So let's see how it turned out. So as you can see, it turned out pretty nice. The thin blue line is not as blue as I would like it to be, but it's okay. When it's in the right light, you can clearly see it's a thin blue line. So I hope you enjoyed this build. If you did so, make sure to subscribe. Leave your comments down below if you have any suggestions for next videos, and I'll see you around.